Keep it steady. You got the weight. Good.
The rings are secured. Check the welds.
Waterproofing is done.
Mount the hinges. Careful with the alignment. Hand me that wrench, please. All right, hold it steady.
A little bit higher. Watch your footing.
Perfect. Take a look. Keep it steady. Watch your hands.
Good.
All right, lowering now. Careful, it's heavy. Almost there. Let it settle. And secure. All right, on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Clear the lid,
Shovel's moving. Get the hoist ready.
wood in, furniture assembled.
Bed and chairs are set. Okay, let's seal it up.